Hello mga chow babies! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. So today, I am going to show you how I am going to unblock a YouTube on my laptop. So if your institution or in your company, if the YouTube or other websites was blocked, this lesson, this tutorial will help you how to unblock the YouTube and other websites. So on my laptop, so in the taskbar and start bar, if you are familiar with the taskbar, you can find it here. The icons refer to the connections, wireless connections or either LAN connections. So just click the icon. For example, in my laptop, I am connected with the wireless Wi-Fi. So it depends on where you are connected, either wireless or a LAN connections. So now before we proceed, I will show you that the YouTube is blocked on my laptop. I will show you. So youtube.com. So in my laptop, in my institution, the YouTube actually is black. So now I try it in my web browser in the Google Chrome, and it's display your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal information from www.youtube.com and so on and so on. So this one actually is black. The YouTube website was black and other websites. Okay, so as we try, it is black. So we have google.com. So as you can see, we can access the Google, but the YouTube we cannot. Either we can search here youtube.com and then click the YouTube. Let's try. Oh, see, it's black. Your connection is not private. So actually it's black, totally black. Now I have two options, two ways to unblock that. Either you can access here on the taskbar and start bar the open network sharing centers, and then click the wireless if you are connected with the wireless or LAN connection, it depends. So click that one, properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, and then properties, and then here in Internet Protocol version 4 we can use the following DNS server address. But before we proceed on that, I will show you the other way how to access the settings. So we can access that through control panel, network and internet, and then network sharing center. Then select on the left side, instead of selecting this one, select change adapter settings. Okay, so in the change adapter settings, it will display all the network connections. So in my case, I have Bluetooth, LAN connections, VMware network. So those are the connections available. The X meaning it's not connected. This one is not X because it's virtual, but it depends on where are you connected, either on the LAN or wireless. So in my case, I am connected here. This is wireless network connection. So I will select this one. Okay, so balik tayo doon sa wireless network connections, no? So just right click, select properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4. So either way, either through control panel or through the icon in which you are connected, either wireless or a LAN connection. So in my case, I am connected with the wireless. So I select this wireless and then Internet Protocol, properties, then use the following DNS. So 888 and then alternate DNS server. Don't forget to check the validate settings upon exit. Then click OK. Then close. Then close. Okay, it will display Windows Network Diagnostics detecting problems. So something like that. So go back to the web browser. Let's try it again if working or not. So we can, oh, it's working. Oh, see, it will connect to the YouTube. So I changed the DNS. What is DNS stands for? DNS is domain name server, meaning the 888, the Google will reroute to the nearest routes so that it will give you an access to YouTube. So that's why I use 888 and 444 for alternate routes to reroute your connection. So as you can see here, I already connected with the YouTube. Oh, see, it's working on my laptop. You can try this at home. You can try this at your school or any institution. So try to change your DNS and DNS and alternate, and it will help you how in order to access or gain access to YouTube. So before we start, we check, we try if it's connected or not, but it's not connected. So that's why I changed the DNS. Okay, so every time that you're going to connect in that specific connection, you don't need to change it again unless you are connected to a new wireless connection or a new LAN. So you need to check it again if your DNS is configured with the 888 and 444. If not, then you can change it. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my lesson. I hope you enjoy my tutorials. I hope you learn how to unblock YouTube on your laptop or in your computer. Thank you for watching. For more exclusive videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you.